Assalamu alaikum. Hello my gorgeous friends, how are you? Today I'm going to talk on Figma. It's me, Umar Azim Khan, and it is a video clip submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirement for the course. Well, the course I'm being studying is Advanced Human-Computer Interaction by Dr. Javed Anjum Sheikh. All the copyrights are transferred to Dr. Javed Anjum Sheikh. Well, it is a prototype for sketching, paper prototype, low fidelity wireframe, HTML prototypes, or interactive prototypes. Well, let's talk about cost. The cost for novice user is free, but if you want to use more features of it, then $12 per month would be charged for it. It runs on Windows, Mac, and it is for like Android, iOS, web, or for desktop application based designer tool. It is very easy to use as it is based on drag and drop builder. About novice to expert, it depends upon the person. If he have got a little knowledge of it, then it will take like 2 to 3 days to become the expert of this tool. But if he is a total newbie, then 15 to 20 days is a must thing to do in order to become an expert. It is very versatile. If you know how to use paint, then it is very easy for you to use this tool. Let's dig in for the example. Let me open Figma. Now let me tell you very basic thing, that it will run only when you have got the internet connection. If you don't have internet connection, it won't run. You have to just download Figma from internet, like go write Figma on the browser, then you can download it right from there. Like I'm having internet slow, but still it will take some time to search. Yeah, here it is. Just install the first one and it will start downloading. Just click on the download and it will be automatically downloaded. Well, after downloading, install it. It would look like exactly similar to this tool. Let me tell you, like here it is, Figma. Just open it. It will look like this one. Now first, let's see, there is a plus sign. Just click on it. Another and tool is opened of United Untitled basically. Now double click it to rename it, like let me say Khan. Okay, so whatever the name you will choose, it will be displayed as a title tab. There are some tools that you must know. First, it is based on design, prototype, or inspect. About design, you have a move or a scale. Then you have got like frame, slice. You have got some tools to draw rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, polygon, star, and in place image. You have got pen and pencil tool for drawing. You can write text, you can move from hand tool, or if you want to write some comments, this comment section will be used. Like let's start by building a frame. When we talk about frame, you have to build it depending upon the web or whatever the size you want to say. Like let me say I'm gonna choose 775 by 571. Here's a frame. So about design, you can align it, left align, center, or horizontal, whatever alignment type is that. You can adjust the frame size like X, W, Y, and H, height, width, etc. There is a auto layout option. You can choose auto layout, or if you want to resize it. Then if you want to place something, I suppose grid option is the very best option, like size 10, and I'm gonna choose columns. As you know, you must be familiar with Bootstrap, so you can easy to know that it is very good while if you're designing something. So this tool is very handy. let me say 4 columns are enough for me. So you can see there are 4 columns. Then we're talking about design. If you want to have a background color, you can choose a background color from below. This tool provides everything. Well, if you want to prototype, then you can say that you can select a frame or object and use a circular node to drag a connection to another frame. You can play it by using this present button. So like we are going to use it in further, like after some time, so you'll get to know. You can inspect it. And about inspection, this is like I have just drawn a frame and then bootstrap. You can see a CSS designer that its position is relative, its width 775 pixels, height 571 pixels, and its background color is this. So you know, you can go and paste exactly the similar tab while when you are designing in HTML or anything like that. Let's start our tutorial. I'm going to build a very basic website that is going to have one navigation menu, navigation bar, then a logo, and then a search tab. Then I'm going to have a slider, then some text and the logo, then a products image like rectangle box there would be some products, then a map and a footer. So we're going to design, let's quick, in a very, you can say that, fast and appropriate way. Let's say, let me write a text over here. So just drag and drop here. Let me say home first. So I can choose font family from here, like I'm gonna choose Rasa, and then you can say about, you can choose font size. I'm gonna choose 14. You can say regular, bold, italic, medium. I'm gonna bold it. So here it is, but still 14 is a little low, I suppose. Yeah, it's 12, so 14 much better, or 18. Yeah, that's good. Well, let's say I have used this, so 1, and then I've chosen another one. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one and write sportswear let's write sportswear. After sportswear, I'm gonna choose an option for contact us, as it is on the website. Contact us, then let's say, and then about us. About us, here we go. And nice and clean, as I haven't drawn it earlier, so it would take a little time for me to adjust the things, but be patient, you'll love it once the design is ready, or when you're gonna work by yourself, you're gonna absolutely love this one. Like, let's place an image, or as we said about logo, let's say, let me paste my logo here, so it would give a light, nice, clean look. I have chosen. Yeah, here it is, my logo right here. And then, as I told that I'm gonna place a rectangle for a search box earlier, I told you. So I'm gonna say this one, and then I'm gonna choose text and gonna write search. Here it is. Let me say, I'm gonna say 24. Yeah, that would be much clean. Good, nice, clean. Let's say, let's align it accordingly. Yeah, according to this one. And then let's come add search. Let me add search over here. Yeah, here it goes. No good. As I said, that while you are designing your prototype, you can always see that what it is going on. First, let me tell you about inspect. Like, I can choose about this logo, as I told you that you can just go and check that about the CSS. Here it is, about position, width, left, top, as we are just designing. Now let's say about prototype. So go and have a look at that. So here it is, a very nice clean look it is giving about the web. Now let's say, like, if I want to say that this image is not looking nicer here, so let me drag it and do a little big. So here it is. Once I've changed it, I'll go and run it again, and now you see it is there and it is looking nice and clear. Now let's say the second thing what we wanted to put was, it was an image of a slider. So let's go to the place image, go choose an image. I'm gonna choose this one, and here it is. Just place it here, and let's say how as big the image would be. You can just simply go make it shorter as you like, so that it would become easier for you to place it on the web. And whenever you are doing this, you're actually gonna love all this stuff when you'll be doing it by yourself. At the very start or at the beginning, things seem to get a little tough, a little cracky, but once you get the idea, you got to love these things. Designing is very easy and very much funny thing to do, once you know how to do it and what is the right way to do it. Well, let's say this is a slider image. Let's say about, I just said that we are going to place a text here. Okay, let's say, let's add a text here over here, say here. Yeah, let's say, we welcome you to our store. We welcome you to our store, and we are serving since 2012, and our customers are very much satisfied with our services. Yeah, it is a text, let me say, of 18. Size 18 would be much preferable. Yeah, here it is. As I told you, we are going to place a logo as well here. So let's go and let's place a logo. Here's our logo. Now one thing which we are going to do is here is our logo. Now, as I told you earlier, I'm going to increase the frame size a little bit so that things could get very nice and easy. As I told you, I'm going to place a products tab over here, which shows that products are going to be showed. So let's say let me write a product. Yeah, it would show some products or the catalog which we are gonna design over here, or which we are gonna place over here, so that people would love it. Let me center align it. Let's go and let's say yeah, here it is. Now here's a products catalog. As I said, after this I'm going to place a map, and then yeah, here is a map as I have just downloaded it earlier. I'm going to place it. Whatever map or whatever thing you want to write, whatever you want to choose, go drag and drop here, so it would look nice, clean, and very much like good looking. While designing the website, you have to think or make everything pretty mature. Let's say I'm gonna talk about a little, yeah, it is good. I'm gonna draw another rectangle. Okay, and this rectangle is basically gonna be our footer, as we have talked earlier, that I'm gonna change its color to background color to, you can say that, black. Full black would be very good. So the text I'm gonna write on it is our footer. It is going to be our mission. First of all, I'm going to change its size to 14. Then the color as text color is also black. Now let's say I'm gonna change its text color, yeah, to white. Here it is our mission. Let's say I'm gonna say 14 to 18 would be good. Yeah, best. After our mission, I'm gonna say another one, and that is our office timings. Office timings, if you have got one, you can write them. write them down. Then you have got like news updates. If you want to show your users about the updates you want to give on the news, and then here is what things are gonna disturbing me. Yeah, controls. After news updates, I'm gonna say like it's footer menu. Footer menu. And then last thing, let me say, and I'm gonna give here sitemaps. Sitemaps for our web. Now let's do it a little clean so that things couldn't go messy around and they couldn't mess up. Things couldn't mess up. Yeah, here it is. And here we go. Let me make it small. Yeah, now let's run it. Let us run what we have made. Now this is our website which we have made, but still if you want to change the background color of the website, you want to add some things in the website, so let's go. Like if I said I want to change the background side, let's go to the frame. You can double click it and rename the frame, like it's like web, you can say, so frame name would be changed. So let's go to the color. Yeah, if you want to give the color, like let's say I'm gonna give this one, so it would be automatically saved. So color have changed, like you can see the background color of the web, and this is a nice clean web which we have made. We have designed, you can choose another web, you can design anything, it would be like perfect. This tool is very much easy to use. As I have told earlier, that it is all about drag and drop. You have to just go drag and drop. You must have a very clear idea what you are designing, what you are doing, and you can place links. As I told you, if you want to go and like say choose this link of this footer, go and inspect, take it from CSS here, and then go and paste in your browsers, and you can get to know about all and everything. Well, signing off. Hope you have enjoyed our today's session. So thank you, and hope to see you soon. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.